drive the 2020 Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, rear performance, 4-wheel disc brakes, FWD, tires, front performance, variable speed, intermittent wipers, smart device integration, keyless entry. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.